Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for cinnamon with meringue buttercream. I am a big fan of cinnamon, but not everyone is, but if you really love cinnamon the way I do, you might want to add it to your buttercream. So let's get started.
Many of these ingredients will be familiar. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon or 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. This is the least amount of cinnamon that allows it to taste like cinnamon, so I consider this rather mild. If you want it strong, you can add up to twice this amount. As always with Swiss meringue buttercream, we begin by separating the eggs. Whisk in sugar and vanilla sugar if you're using that, with the egg whites in a heat-safe bowl, either metal or glass. Heat it over a double boiler until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture feels hot to the touch. Remove from heat, beat with a mixer until the egg whites form stiff peaks. This takes several minutes because the egg whites will cool slowly as you beat them. They won't be able to come to full stiff peaks until they are cool enough, so be patient with this step. Make sure to check the temperature of the bowl and that it's room temperature. Then slowly add the butter in pieces, beating each piece completely into the meringue before adding the next one. Once all the butter is incorporated, beat the mixture until it comes together to buttercream consistency. This can take up to 15 minutes. Once again, be patient. If you're having trouble with your Swiss meringue buttercream, I have a troubleshooting video I'll link in the card. Add the salt, cinnamon, and vanilla if you haven't yet. Mix it with the mixer. We need the cinnamon to bind with the butter. Cinnamon hates water but loves fat. So make sure to beat the cinnamon into the buttercream and don't try to stir it in. This buttercream is smooth and creamy and has just the right amount of cinnamon. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.